edition of the Professional Rake. And today I'm your host Kevin, and we'll be talking about construction material in terms of culverts, stones, sand, ballast, all machine cut ballast and all that. And today here, as you can see, I have my good friend here, Samuel Njenga, and he's the owner of this operation here. So we'll be talking about, I want him to take us through about the various products that he's selling and where he's located, his name and all that. So I'll let him introduce himself.
Sawa. Karibu Mlembe Concrete supermarket ya Mjengo. Kuna culvert ya 600. Kuna culvert ya 600 2 feet in diameter. 2 feet aka 600 millimeters. Yes. Tunafanya 3800 bei ya kuongea. Kuna culvert ya kisima ndogo. Kuna ya kisima ndogo ya 3800 bado bei ya kuongea. Kuna kisima kubwa ya 4000 bei ya kuongea. Hizi zote ziko na mesh wire. Wacha tafutie yenyewe mesh wire ni pop. Kuonyesha vizuri. Tafutie za mesh wire ziko ndani.
Iko mpaka za wire mesh, inamaanisha kwamba iko reinforced na wire mesh.
Reinforced with wire mesh.
The culverts are reinforced using wire mesh to give them more strength, more capability.
Pia tuko na 1.5 feet diameter for 50
this one here
millimeters. Yes. Na pia tuko na ile ndio iko mbali kidogo na hii ndogo. Hii ni 1 feet diameter. Here to here it's 1 feet. Hii tunafanya 2500 bei ya kuongea. Hii ya 1.5 feet 2800 bei ya kuongea.
Yes, so customer, yes, I would like the customers to understand. You need to understand the prices of these culverts so that when you are placing your order or when you need to do your construction, you understand them properly. This one here, he said that this one here is 2 feet. The diameter is 1 feet. Sorry, the diameter of this culvert here. You can see there are so many here.
300 mm.
Yes, and it is 300 mm in terms of the width of the walls is 300 mm. And it is 1 feet in diameter, and it goes at 2,000 shillings, but negotiable. You can still negotiate about that.
Iyo 1.5 feet.
This is 1.5.
450 mm.
450 mm. The thickness of the walls is 450 mm. Yeah. That's millimeter, and it goes at the price of
2,800.
2,800, still negotiable. Okay. The other culverts he talked about. Maybe if you didn't understand it very well, we have this culvert here. These still used on the road when you want to build the entrance to your place, to your home, or all that. So this one here is a diameter of 2 feet,
600 mm.
The thickness of the walls, that is 600 mm, and it goes at the cost of 3,800 shillings. Negotiable. We have these others here. These ones here. We have those ones that are used to construct borehole. Kisima, kisima, and we don't know what to do. So we have this one. In terms of kisima, we have these smaller ones, and then we have big ones. These smaller ones are in diameter. They have a diameter of 800 mm. That is the thickness of the walls, and the diameter is
800 mm.
Oh, 800 mm.
The diameter is 800 mm.
Yes.
This one, the diameter is 900 mm.
900 mm.
Kama hii ile inawekwa chini. Inachunga
maji kwa kisima. It sieves the water to ensure that the water doesn't get dirty in your borehole.
Yes.
And this one small here goes at the price of
3,800.
3,800. And the bigger one is 4,000 Kenya shillings. All prices are negotiable. And remember that we are at Mlembe Concrete. We are located at along when you're coming from Sabatia in Butere, you are on your way to Kisumu. It is just like 200 meters.
Between Swiss Hotel Resort to ACK.
ACK, yes.
Sabatia.
Yes, you can see that road. We have a road here. This is the main road, Ekero Buyangu Road. Here it is. So if you're looking for concrete, you want to construct culvert, you need culvert to make your entrance to your home
blocks
easier. Please contact
blocks. This block 600.
Yes.
6 inches blocks.
Yes.
Block your machine. Let me show you.
Machine that.
Let me show you.
They are made. You see that?
Block your machine. Haijavunjika.
Ameitupa chini na haijavunjika.
Again.
You see that?
Your machine.
That is a machine-made block. You can throw it down the way he's doing it, and it did not break.
you cheat
So
it.
please, if you need, what is the cost of this?
85 shillings. Bei ya kuongea.
85 shillings per block, and
Yeah.
the measurements are 6 inches
By 900.
by 900
By 15.
what is 15? 15 what's
15 inches.
15 inches
By 9 inches.
by 9 inches
By 6 inches.
by 6 inches, and it
6
goes
by 9.
6 by 9
Yeah,
by
na ndio
15.
bado.
You see, it is very strong. He's
Yeah,
throwing
very
them
strong.
down, but they are not breaking.
Very strong.
Yes, you need a block like that. You need that
And
that
very
block
heavy.
for your construction. It goes at 85 shillings, but negotiable.
Negotiable.
And so wherever you are, maybe you need transport and all that.
Lakini
Please talk
hajafunguliwa.
to us. Oh, so we are going to another section where he's selling
We have sand.
this
Machine cut.
machine cut stone.
Machine cut 5 by 9.
5 by 9 shilling, by
By
5 by
12.
9. Those are inches. 5 by
By
9 by 12. Yes, and it goes at a
This
cost
one-
of
If you 75 bei ya kuongea.
75 shillings, negotiable.
We have louvers.
You have louvers here.
Louvers.
And remember, we are at Mulembe Concrete
Louver vent.
in Sabatia Butere.
Louver vent
Yes.
at 130 bei ya kuongea.
130
Mtu
shillings.
amejenga na matofali.
Yes.
Louvers.
Mshiki vizuri waone
Yeah.
vizuri. Yes, you can see it measures
Louver block.
the measurement is
1 feet
1 feet
by 6.
by 6 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 1 feet by 6 inches. And that one will cost you 130 shillings only.
If your construction near bricks,
Yes.
this is the right lower vent.
Yes.
So construction of blocks.
So this one here, like is I need you to understand, my viewers, that these louvers are used when your construction or your project, you've used bricks. So if you use bricks, please come for these louvers. And if you have used blocks,
We have cabro.
blocks, we call some blocks kwanza.
Yeah,
Kama
block.
umetumia blocks.
Yeah.
If you've used
If you have
blocks
blocks,
for your construction,
you have this.
the right louvers for you
These
are
bigger
these
ones.
Yes, this one is
Very
bigger,
big, bwana. Very heavy.
bigger, heavier,
For
and
blocks.
just better. What's the measurement?
Yeah. This is 1 feet
1 feet.
by 900.
1 feet by 9 inches.
9 inches.
Yes.
Yeah.
So 1 feet by 9 inches.
9 inches.
This one will cost you
200. But
200 shillings. Negotiable. Please understand that all prices are subject to negotiation. So you can negotiate so that you get a good deal. In fact, this is the only place you'll get the best deal when you are in Butere and Huisero, Mumias, all that. If you are within these localities, these are the best. This is the place you get the best prices.
Our culverts
Yes,
are
these
reinforced
culverts
with
here
mesh wire.
are reinforced using,
mesh wire.
I don't know if that's visible.
Hata hizi
Wapi?
nini za ndani.
Yes, as you can see here,
Yeah,
we have this
wire.
wire mesh here.
That's wire.
That is
That's
wire,
the
which
mesh
means yes, this.
You go to the side. Show them. Hizi nini za mesh wire. The dividement hapa ndani.
Yes, I don't know if they can see inside there.
This dividement is for mesh wire. This dividement, this mesh wire.
Yes. Yeah. So it means that these concretes, these culverts are very strong, and it doesn't matter what is the tonnage of the vehicles you want to pass. You want them to pass through that culvert or the bridge to your plot or to your home. These culverts are very strong. They'll carry any weight, any tonnage, any vehicle of whatever tonnage, because they are reinforced and they're very strong. As you can see, this is his entire operation. It's a very big place, very, very big, very, so many different items, so many different construction materials. We have these ones here.
We have slabs.
These are slabs.
Concrete slabs.
They are concrete slabs. They measure what is the
Very
measurements.
nice.
You want to make your pavement, you want to make your
blocks.
pavement block, you want to make your compound, yes.
Yeah.
To ensure that you don't deal with mud.
We have tiles.
What is the measurement? I like my viewers to know the measurement.
2 feet by
Just 2 feet by 2 feet. What's the cost?
5 centimeter thick.
The thickness is 5 centimeters.
Yeah.
2 feet by 2 feet. What's the
square.
measurement?
The price 350 negotiable.
Yes, the price is 350 shillings, but negotiable, subject to negotiation.
We have tiles.
We have these tiles here. These are concrete tiles. Sizzle tiles. These ones are not the ones that you buy from hardwares. No, these ones are made using
1
concrete.
feet by 1 feet.
1 feet by 1 feet. They are very, very strong.
120
The thickness is nice.
The thickness is 2 centimeters.
Is about 2 centimeters. Yes,
Yeah.
that is very thick and that is very strong. By the way, much stronger. These ones
Very
here.
strong.
Yes.
Wasikia sauti.
Yes, you can see. He's throwing them on each other,
Very
but they are not
strong.
breaking. And these ones are for outdoors. So if you want to make your residence, your car park, footpath, these are the things for you. And these tiles, they go at 120 shillings. So please note that, and if you need that, talk to us.
We have cabro.
We have cabros here.
A lot of cabro.
A lot of cabros, as you can see behind me.
We have them.
Yes, as you can see behind there. So many. That's the pattern. That's a very good pattern, as you can see.
That's the pattern.
Very good. Very good.
Very nice.
Very nice for your project. And the measurements.
More than 5 centimeters thick.
Thickness is more than 5
more
centimeters.
Than 5 centimeters.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the measurement maybe from here to here.
Like 10 inches.
That's like 10 inches, yes.
Here to here it's 10 inches.
And here to here.
4 inches.
4 inches.
Yeah.
So yes.
But very thick.
Very thick and very strong. The
very
concrete.
Strong.
This guy makes
nice.
This guy makes very good products. By the way, I like the products that he makes. In fact, he supplied me some of the. In fact, if you remember the
window sill.
Just a minute. If you remember the other project, the other video about construction of culverts in Rueko area, the bridges, those culverts. In fact, I got them from him, and the customer was satisfied. The customer was very happy that those culverts are very strong, unlike the previous ones that had been supplied to him, which actually broke. And these ones here, we transported them over a very long period on a Maram road. The road was not very good, and we managed to transport them all the way without any breakage. That shows how the quality of his work.
Window sill.
We have window sills here.
Goes at 100 bob.
100 shillings.
Negotiable.
The measurement is?
The measurement about like 6 centimeters.
6 inches.
Oh yes.
Or 5 inches by 6.
6 to by 5.
Yeah, roughly
something
6 by 5 inches.
This one, I don't have the right measurement, but window sills available, very nice. Iko na line ya kumwaga maji.
Yes.
So that ukiweka hivi kwa mjengo, it rains, inakuja na flow, ikifika hapa inamwagika. Haifiki ukuta yako.
And you remember what we're talking about, moisture control? This is part of moisture control.
Na unasikia?
You can see him throwing them. He's throwing them there and they're not breaking. They've dried properly. They're good.
We have coping walls.
Pillar copings.
These for pillars. No.
What is the measurement?
Iko na line bado ya kudrop maji.
The measurement?
Iko na shimo ya kuweka waya ya stima ukiweka bulb.
Yes.
On the pillars.
These ones are placed on pillars.
Ndio shimo imetokea huku from huku. Hivyo. Unaniona?
Measurement zake?
Measurement 1 feet by 1 feet.
1 feet by 1 feet. What's the cost?
250.
250 shillings. Yeah. Please mark that. If you need those, you know where to get them.
Channels kwa wingi. Cabro time.
Let's go. Let's talk about these ones.
Wall copings.
Ushajenga ukuta wako pale juu, you've constructed your perimeter wall. You need to protect it against moisture. Against rain, water coming from the rain, to ensure that it doesn't ruin.
This is for bricks.
Yes.
Anyone who the construction
has been done using bricks.
This 10 inches.
10 inches.
And we have for the blocks.
For blocks.
You see, Aitoshani, this of block is bigger.
Yes.
This is 1 feet.
So what is meaning
12 inches.
If you have done your construction, you've constructed your wall using bricks, please, this is the right coping for you. It is 10 inches by
2 feet.
By 2 feet.
Yeah. That's
10 inches by 2 feet. Those are very good for your brick wall. And if you
blocks,
and if your wall you've used blocks or stones, please,
this one is the right.
This one is the right measurement for you, because it measures. That is 1 feet by
1 feet by 2 feet.
1 feet by 2 feet. Yeah. What's the cost of this?
This one is 250 shillings. This one is 350 shillings. Negotiable.
250 shillings, 300 shillings.
Yeah. We have
negotiable.
We have pillar coping.
These are now bigger ones.
For bricks.
For blocks. Yes.
Yeah, we have for blocks. We have this one. 1.5 feet.
1.5 feet. Yes, the measurement is 1.5 feet square.
1.5.
It has this hole here to allow you install your bulb or your lighting feature. Electricity bulb wires for passing electricity.
Yeah. Yes. We have road cabs.
We have road cabs over here.
We have road cabs.
Yes. Road cabs. I think if you've walked on any tarmac road in Kenya, you should be able to understand what these ones are. Yeah. They are placed along the roads to separate
The
the
road
tarmac
from
from
the
the drainage.
yeah.
Yes. Or
Road
to mark
curve.
actually where the road ends to ensure that traffic or vehicles don't go astray.
Yeah. 550 negotiable.
550 shillings,
Yeah.
negotiable. And what is the measurement? This is like 3 feet.
3 feet. This
This
3
is
feet by I think something like 10 inches.
10 inches.
Yeah.
3 feet by 10 inches.
By 4
Road
inches.
curbs by 4.
The
So
thickness is 4 inches.
2 feet by 10 inches by thickness of 4.
Yeah, 4.
It is 550 shillings,
550 negotiable.
negotiable.
Concrete pole.
You have concrete poles here.
They
You want to
need
make, you want to make perimeter, you want to surround your property.
You want to fence your property?
You want to fence it, yes?
This is the concrete poles.
Yes. Now these ones
9
here,
feet.
yes, these ones here have not dried. They are still in process.
This until
They need to be
the mold-
given a few more days for
Yeah.
them to dry
The ready
properly so
ones
that
are
they can be taken out of. What is this thing? This is the structure
Mold.
of the mold
the mold.
that is used to make them.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have the dried ones. Here,
These ones
9
now are
feet.
dry and ready.
very hard,
Very hard,
very hard, very hard.
very strong. They don't
well
break.
well vibrated.
Yes.
Yeah.
And actually uses vibrator to ensure that
9 feet.
the concrete
Very hard.
is nice.
Yeah.
What is the measurement? That
The
is
measurement
9
is 9 feet. The whole. From
The whole
end
thing
to end
measures
is 9 feet.
9 feet.
Yeah.
What is the price?
The price 1,800.
1,800. Negotiable.
Yeah.
Please.
There's the straight one here.
Yeah, these ones here, they have a provision here. If you can see, they are bent on the upper side to prevent, I think for security purposes, to ensure that somebody cannot easily climb your wall or your fence, I mean.
Your fence.
Now we have these ones
You
here
have the straight one.
where you don't need maybe the curved
8
ones, and they are measuring.
And very strong.
The measurement is 8 feet. Very,
Very
strong,
strong.
as you see. He is hitting
Yeah.
this
Against the other.
against each one,
And
each
they're
other,
not breaking.
and they are not breaking.
Yeah.
What is
This
the what is the
1,600 negotiable. 8 feet. Straight.
8 feet? 1,800
800 negotiable.
negotiable.
Haya. We have vent. We have ventilation.
Huko tushaongelea kila kitu. Okay, we've covered most of the items here.
We have road channels.
We have road channels here.
Very smooth.
Road channels, very smooth,
nice.
well vibrated,
Very quality.
good quality. What is the measurement and price?
The measurement is 3 feet
Yes.
by 6
That's
inches
like 6 inches.
by 4 inches.
No, this is not 6 inches. This is like 5.
5
Like 5.
5
So it is 2 feet
Then
by
this-
5 inches.
by 4.
What is the cost? By 4.
350 negotiable.
350 shillings. I would like you to perceive or to appreciate the quality of the work here. As you can see, the
Very
finish
smooth.
here is very smooth, which
Very
means he's using a vibrator. I'll be taking you to
We'll go
the
there.
production section
Production section.
so that you understand what we are talking about, how he does his work and how he finishes
Yes,
these products.
we have
We have vents here.
Very nice.
Good quality. As you can see, they do not break.
Nice quality.
Very good quality.
Nice quality.
In fact, there are some vents.
very smooth.
There are some vents that sometimes we have in our shop where you cannot even carry the vents together
Very
because of
nice.
breakage. But you see these ones here, he's hitting them together
120 shillings.
and they're not
negotiable.
breaking. 120 shillings, negotiable.
You can hear.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's very good quality. And there's so many of them. So if you need, don't worry about
When
numbers.
you need 1,000,
You need 1,000
Deliver.
pieces, you need 2,000 pieces,
10,000 pieces.
10,000 pieces, you will find here.
Here is our vibrating table.
No, let's go to these here. These ones here. These spindles.
Oh, spindles.
Let's talk about spindles here.
Have spindles. All of them 2 feet,
Yes.
2 feet, 2.5 feet.
We have 2 feet spindles. They come in the length. We have 2 feet,
Yeah.
like in different designs.
And different designs.
Chicken. As you can see, that one there,
Very
that
nice.
is 202. That is 2 feet, right?
Yeah, 2 feet.
Sorry,
2 feet.
that is 2 feet.
Very nice. Mpaka
If you
maua
can see,
unaona
yes.
venye imejichora.
The pattern is very nice.
You can
The
see.
pattern is very good.
Very nice.
What is the cost of that?
350 shillings. Negotiable.
Negotiable.
Yeah.
We have another
We have
pattern.
another pattern.
Yes, we have this pattern here. If you can
Very
see
heavy.
that, they are very
nice.
heavy.
And very nice.
The finish is so great.
Everything.
Yes.
Nimefanya fiti 400 shillings.
400 shillings.
Yeah.
Okay, that
It's
is
a bit bigger
that
than
is-
the other one.
That is 2.5 feet, right?
2.5 feet.
2.5 feet. So spindles come in different,
And
in
we have
different
another
sizes.
2.5 feet.
We have another,
We have another
2.5
feet
feet.
here. This one.
Yes.
This one too is 2.5 feet.
Yes.
Yeah, very
A
nice.
different pattern. What is the
Very
cost?
strong. Same price, 400 shillings, negotiable.
400 shillings, negotiable. So spindles come in different sizes. We have 2 feet and then we have 2.5 feet. 2 feet that will cost you 350 shillings, and then we have 2.5 feet which will cost you 400 shillings.
1.5 feet, 1.5 feet.
You also have 1.5 feet, yes. That these one are the smallest, I think, the smallest
This one,
size
the smallest of
you
them
should
all.
be able to find here.
Yeah.
What's the
This
cost of that?
300 shillings.
That is 300 shillings. So 300, 350, and then 400. So let us now go to the production section where
This is
we
a
do
breeding table.
the production.
It's been disconnected.
Yes, that's the vibration
Pole
table.
sana, tumefika, tumechelewa.
And what we mean, let me just maybe explain
Yeah.
to them.
Let me bring the motor.
Yes, what we mean by vibration table is this: that after you produced your item, let's say for example, these items here, these ones are still wet,
Zimeundwa
they've
leo.
just been made today. So what you do, we have this motor here,
We have
you
the
see,
motor.
it is usually connected to
Vibrating
the table, to the vibrating
Yeah.
table. This is the motor.
Pole.
So you take your, sorry, give me just a minute.
Yeah.
You place your item,
Product.
the product,
You
on the
vibrate.
table like that, and then you switch on the vibrating table.
Yeah.
It starts to vibrate to ensure that the concrete,
Very strong.
it,
Very
it-
nice.
the
Very
concrete,
smooth.
what does the concrete do when you vibrate it?
It
Inashikana
removes all
vizuri.
the air bubbles.
Yes, it removes air
No
bubbles to
air
ensure that
bubbles.
it's completely
strong.
compact.
Eco compacted.
Yes.
Very
So that
nice.
the end product will be
Smooth and nice.
smooth and nice.
Just like the vents, just like
Just
the
like the
road
vents
cabs.
and the road caps and
Like
everything.
everything.
Here.
You've seen.
Yes. Properly
Siri iko
done.
hapa.
Siri iko hapa
Siri iko hapa.
kwa vibrating table.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kila kitu.
So you can see there are
Very
still
nice.
other items here.
Yeah.
These spindles, they're still under production. There's others that is covered with that polythene sheet. We have these one here. These are what are these? These are. Is it called aje?
Yeah, easy.
Yes.
Wall copings.
Wall copings. Yes.
Yeah, wall
wall
copings.
copings for the walls.
Yeah, for the wall.
And then-
Everything very nice.
We have these
Very
ones
well
here.
created.
We have other things here. Please let's talk about these.
This one.
These are the items here.
These are the road cabs and the road channels, and we have this one.
Yes. What is this?
This one is for spindles. The spindles, you insert them here. You see?
Okay, on the
Yeah.
when you're making your
Spindles.
spindles, you
Yeah.
take the spindle and then you insert them.
You insert them
So it's
here.
like the top of the
And
spindle.
it's very beautiful.
Very beautiful. It has
You see?
the design. Has the
Yeah,
design.
it
Very
has a design.
yes.
Your house becomes very beautiful, very classy. If you use these and the spindles together, very nice. Let me show you something. Wow. Nikwambia investment ni ngumu. You see,
So we want to show you how the
when you place
spindles
them here,
usually work with these
yeah,
ones here.
you place them here. You see, in this here, yeah. You see that one. You place them like that.
Yes.
Yeah. So fundi ana kazi ngumu na ana kazi sura mbaya, inabaki safi, kila kitu safi.
I think they're understanding
As you
that
can see that.
the end product of using the spindles together with this bar of concrete is that, so that the final
This one
product
goes
is.
at 550.
And this one, yes, will go at 550 shillings, and it is still negotiable.
Yeah.
Everything here is about we can always talk.
Mulembe concrete.
Lembe Concrete, Sabatia in Butere. Let's talk about this sand and maybe, do you sell the dust? These,
Everything is for sale.
everything is for sale. We have this one here where we place these spindles here. It has some, this is called dust. It comes from crushing
This
stone.
corridors.
Quarry dust.
Yeah.
When they are crushing the stone to make ballast, that machine cut ballast, this is the product of This is the sand or the chippings that come from that. They are used for making these spindles and so many other products that you see here. But he's saying that he also sells this, so if you need them, what's the cost? What is the cost of this?
This ballast.
This dust.
2,500 per ton, negotiable, na nakujazia tani zako vizuri. Tani moja wilbaro 8.
Yes.
Nakujazia
2,500 shillings.
Venye unaweza uziwa kwa Kware.
Yes.
Yeah. Tutapima na futi. Hakuna hesabu ya macho.
So let's talk about this sand. So, or let me just finish. Let me finish up. We also have clean river sand here at Mlembe Concrete. We also have machine cut. This is still dust. Nini imeisha? Kware sand. Nini imeisha? Ballast umemaliza? Okay, ballast is out of stock.
Inakuanga.
Is yet to restock. It's usually stocked here. It is yet to be restocked.
3/4 very well, unaweza tumia kukoroga mchanga kidogo, simiti kidogo na inashika. Yes. Ni 3/4.
3/4 size. Very small,
very nice, very efficient.
Yes.
Simiti kidogo, mchanga kidogo.
Yes. So we are here at Mlembe Concrete, as you can see in Sabatia, Tere, and we've talked about a lot of things, a lot of different products that if you need, you can talk to us. I'll be able to provide you the number if you need. Just hit me in the comment section, and I'll provide you the number and the contact information for this young man here, Samuel Njenga, mtu wa kujituma.